Hey guys, it's Danielle with Handmade. You are in for a treat today. We are at Glitterville headquarters. If you're wondering what Glitterville is, we are going to give you a behind the scenes tour today. I can't wait. I'm so excited. So enough from me. Let's hear from the king of glitter himself, Stephen Brown.
Hey Danielle.
Hi! And a very special visitor. This is a famous chicken.
Dolly Poulet,
Oh
the
my gosh.
sweetest chicken in the world.
Tell us how this all got started.
Well, Glitterville started in 2003, but before that I was actually a costume designer for television and film and made a few ornaments, took them into Atlanta to America's Mart, and it all took off from there. And people say you can't start a business at the kitchen table, but Glitterville definitely was. A bottle of glue, some styrofoam balls, and a whole lot of glitter.
Well, tell us some of the places you've been featured. I know that there's many.
Well, we've been in lots of magazines. Country Living, Mary Engelbrecht's Home Companion, Martha Stewart, all of those. And then of course, Oprah magazine, which I also designed the holiday covers for, which can sometimes be really exciting. Last year we were trapped on a glacier for 3 days. So this year's not quite as exciting, but lots of packages and handmade gifts.
All right, well there is so much to see here. I want to see it all. Give us a grand tour.
All right. One of Glitterville's biggest things are all of these giant paper mache pieces, which we love to make. And as a crafter, I always made paper mache items, but the difficulty in making this kind of paper mache, no one ever knows that this starts deep, deep, deep in the mountains where we carve these items out of wood, and that makes your mold. And then you take all of the paper and you lay it onto the wooden mold, then cut it down the center, take it off, and then put it back together. So there's a lot of craft that go in these big pieces. One of my favorite things are sweets.
Yes, mine
And
too.
the bigger the sweet, the better. So how much bigger could a cotton candy get?
Gosh, that is just bigger than my face.
So since the
So
beginning,
good.
sweets have been a big part of Glitterville Studios.
I love it.
So there's giant macarons, there's watermelons, there's meringues. If it's sweet, we probably have it, and it's probably big.
Okay, I think this giant cotton candy might be one of my favorites, but tell me, what is your favorite?
I probably like the characters. This is one of my favorites. This is Pongo the hippo, and their friend, Lala the llama.
Lala the llama, oh my gosh.
And they live in a world of giant fruits like cherries and kiwis and watermelons and a few magic wands, because everybody needs a magic wand.
I want one of those little crowns over there.
And a crown.
Yes, this is, I mean, I'm almost too excited. I just can't take this.
Now
Oh
you
my
need a
god,
wand.
wow.
Got the whole set.
This is my dream right here. Now I have to ask, is there any way that we could get a little sneak peek maybe on some things you're working on?
Maybe a sneak peek.
Okay.
One of the things
Ooh.
about this, one of the things about this business is you have to work a year ahead.
Yes.
So we're really busy right now, but it's not for Christmas this year. It's for Christmas next year. So this is actually where all the magic and glitter spreading happens.
I wish this was my office.
The thing people don't realize, when you say glitter, people think, oh, it's just glitter that you pour out and do, but there's so many types of glitter. And when we made this move, 150 pounds of glitter was moved to this location. And see, it's so great to pour around things, like in the windows. This windowsill looked a little bit dull previously, but you just get a jar of glitter. Everything is better
Glitter makes everything better, I agree.
with a little bit of glitter, or a whole lot of glitter.
How do you even come up with this? What is your process?
Oh, I wish there was a process, but there's really not. I usually just sit down with a piece of paper, and no matter what I'm doing, I always draw a picture first. And where it goes from there, I'm never sure till I get done, but I draw it, and then I sculpt every item. I like to make the prototype completely so I know what it is and how it'll turn out. This is a new little camel, and one of the things about Glitterville items is we don't usually ever make something out of only one material. Like this one, you have the camel, but then you have this swag of tassels. Each one of these tassels are completely handmade, and then all of the little additions that go to it, plus the fuzz here. So that makes an interesting ornament when it has more than one element.
Yes, that's so special.
It's just like putting up your Christmas tree. I always tell people, they ask, what makes a great tree? You have to have enough different kinds of materials and items to make the tree interesting. And the same goes for a single ornament itself. My thing for the holidays is just doing things that I like and putting them out. Things in numbers are always great. And if you notice, the Glitterville Christmas is never red and green. It's usually hot pink, lime green, gold, lots of gold. And then it's about collecting things that you like. Doesn't matter what the trend is. You need to decorate your home with things that you really love. You know, my motto is always make it and make every day a holiday. And I think that's great. Just start early.
I love
and
that.
I don't practice what I preach. A lot of times I just start it the day before. But that can give you some really fun decor that other people don't have because you made it yourself.
Thank you so much for this tour. It has been amazing.
Thank you for
we
coming.
appreciate your time. I am so inspired and I'm ready to go home and craft some glitterness holiday decor.
Oh, if you're gonna go home and craft,
I am.
you should probably have a
Oh
copy
my
of
gosh.
Glitterville's Handmade Christmas.
Thank you.
all you
Oh,
need.
what a treat. I am so excited. Wow, thank you. Okay, we want to hear from you, what you are making this holiday season. Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We hope your holidays are filled with extra glitter this season, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.